Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to unbox and review this Apple Watch Series 7. And without any further ado, let's get this video started. Let's see here. A red one. Let's put this guy aside. Okay, so it says Apple Watch. And it is the product red 45mm aluminum case. And now let's undress her. Now that's really nice. So there's two boxes inside. We got the band and also we have the watch. So let's take a look at the band first. Let's open it. Okay, we got a menu in there. And here's our band. Let's get it out. And this loop feels pretty good. It is called the braided solo loop and it's made of recycled yarn and silicone. And also it is adjustable. And now let's put aside this guy and take a look at our watch. Ding, 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 ding. Let's get it open. It is designed by Apple in California. Let's take a look at this guy. It's just a menu, quick start, how to use it. I don't think we have a sticker in there. No stickers. And here's our charger. And still there's no power adapter. And here's our watch. That's pretty much everything in the box. It is 45mm and it's black and red. It looks awesome, man. Let's get it out. Man, this is so nice. I like this red. It's not like super red. It's very elegant and fancy, like Lamborghini, Bugatti, spaghetti. I don't see that much in size difference compared to my Apple 6. When I hold both in my hand, there's no really difference with the size. And same thing for the thickness, but that just look by our eye. And let's see the actual dimension and the weight of this Apple 7. So this guy weighs 1.3 ounce and its height is 45mm. So 1mm higher than the Apple 6. And the width is 38mm. And the thickness is 13mm. So it's just like the Apple 6. And the material of the case is made by aluminum. And you can go up to titanium or stainless steel for a higher premium. And the display in this Apple 7 is made by the Iron X glass. And for the titanium and the stainless steel, it got a sapphire crystal. And the back of the watch is made by ceramic. And the build quality of this Apple 7 watch is really well too. It offers the dust resistant with the IP6X standard and also water resistance up to 50 meters, and it is swimming proof. And for the iron glass display, it offers the crack resistance, so it's not that easy to be cracked and crushed. Let's take a look around the watch. On the left side, we have our air vent and speakers. And on the right side, we have our digital chrome with haptic feedback. And there's our side button and also our microphone. And on the back of the watch, we have quite a few sensors. They are for the blood oxygen, the electrical heart, and third generation optical heart. And here's our band release button, two of them. And inside this Apple 7, we have the S7 SIP with 64-bit dual-core processor. And that's pretty much same as the Apple 6 and also the W3 wireless chip and the wideband chip. Pretty much same components as the Apple 6. And the only different now, without turning it on, is only this air vent and speaker. This one has two and this one has one. And all the others, the sensors, the button, and even the size is only 1mm bigger. So I can't really tell what's the difference. But let me turn it on for the first time and we shall see the difference. Okay, it's lighting up. So let me get a phone. Okay, and now it asks me to set it up. So let me do that. All right. And now let me set it up and then I'll go over a few features and see what's the real difference between this one and the Apple 6. Alright guys, so I have two watches on my hand right now. The 6 and the 7. And I can tell the difference right now is the screen size, it really matters. And this one is slightly bigger. Now the text on here is much easier to read. And even with the lock screen, the size difference of the font and the square. Let's get into it and see how big the difference is. As you guys can see, with the larger screen, it's very easy to see the map and the GPS. And also doing the calculations on the calculator, it's a little bit easier too, but not that much difference. And as you guys can see now, we're in the App Store. And because of that little 1 millimeter bigger, everything looks pretty good. Because now it displays more with much better quality. And with a larger display, reading a text is much easier than before. And there are 2 face watch that can only be used in Apple 7. One is this one. This one is called Contour. It's really neat. There's numbers around the Apple 7 watch. And you can see them on the side too. Because of that screen, you have this really cool curve view. This is really cool. And another one is this one, which is called the Modular Duo. And you can have many stuff on here, up to 4. And I really like this because it's very useful. And then I don't get this on my Apple 6. This is only on Apple 7. And another cool thing about this Apple 7 is that they have this keyboard. And now to type in is really easy and simple. All we need to do is slap on this keyboard. And then you're gonna choose the word that we want to use. This is really neat. And with the faster charging, it's very good for people who's gonna wear it overnight. But for me, it's okay because I don't wear it at nighttime. But if you have that kind of need, the faster charging is really good. There is still a lot for me to discover for this Apple 7, and then I'll keep you guys updated. And if you have any questions or concerns or you want to know more about this watch, feel free to leave the comment below, and then I will answer you with the best of I know. And now guys, let's go to the Video League giveaway. To enter the Video League giveaway, it's really simple and easy and free. All you need to do is leave a like, subscribe the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And also, leave the comment in my most recent video. Now look all these lucky guys. The next one might be you. And today guys, we have 77 fish in the pool. And now, let's see who is the lucky one. Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations! Updoor 67. Woohoo! Alright guys, so that is my review and a little comparison with Apple 6. And I hope I help you to make the decision whether to purchase the Apple 7 or not. And thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there. And I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.